No. Yes. Please. What the fuck? But I told you to put away! Go away! There you go. Yeah! Bam! Ow! Tickles. I was screaming in fear, not pleasure. Wait, come sit next to me, like, actually next to me. Wait, you smell so good.
You literally lick it!
I can't keep taking time out just to clean my camera. Come sit next to me. I'm not going to be able to see it, so we're just going to have to work the way it is. Hold. Okay. You're lucky I didn't hit any buttons. Ew. When she makes herself gag. In a world where Natalie makes herself gag. You should see your face. In a world where Natalie makes herself gag. What? Spider Pig does whatever a Spider Pig does. I don't know the rest of it. Can he swing from a tree? No, he can't, because he's a pig. What? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, hop the camera. Hop it. Hop it. So sturdy. What are you doing? No fruit juice. No, I want the eye. Where'd my phone go? Let's I got one. Turn this shit around. Me in the crowd. How you doing? I wasn't supposed to do that. That was kind of creepy. It was my sister. What'd she say? Something children. She said, "Hush, my children." That's kind of creepy. Something Blair Witch Project. No, be like cold. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Ryan is dead. And Natalie's gonna be dead. Mom. Gonna be like, shh.